Hello, welcome back to Lords of Sprawlville Dev Update 1.5. So let's talk about some things we didn't talk about last time. One of the things is we have a new map. This one is still by hand, aka in a text file. Show you that at the end. First time the villagers are living in a real town where they have to travel to and from places. They're not just in a giant square. So we can check that out. So these people are going around the forest to get to the lumber camp up there. Some open contracts and pending contracts, so these people are moving stuff from there. Looks like there's a block of residential here. A bunch of villagers live there. So we go back to the kind of the town center where the farm and shop and the estate are. You'll see all these brown things. Those are signposts. I've just been leaving signposts because I was testing new action queuing code. So all of them have little things I said. Frick boy. Thanks, Noah. Noah's my lord this time. Okay. So over here, I also added a quarry. It's the same model as the mine, but people are going around the mountain to get to it. Rocks aren't passable, forests are passable, but of course people want to take the road or the grass route. Dirt is just as fast as road, and when you're building you have to clear the plot to build on it, turn it to dirt. So let's queue an action. I did some work in the actions area, and now it's divided into 4 groups. We got pending actions. Pending actions are you made the action locally, but you haven't submitted it. Submitted actions are you've submitted that action, but the round hasn't gone through. All players haven't submitted. And then now there's going to be another area called assigned actions, and those are actions like go build the signpost over there, and it's signed to it one of your agents. And then there's another div called queued actions. So those are unassigned actions. We'll see some of those in a second. So lords also go last, so when picking up tasks. So we have Lucas Hernandez over here. He's my agent. I'm going to build right next to him. Place a signpost. Just going to say LOL test. So now it's in the pending actions. I'm going to hit submit turn. Turn successful. For a split second, it's a submitted action while the server is computing the next round. Oh yeah, so for that one it was so close that it didn't show up as assigned or queued action because you just did it that round. So we need to make it farther away, so we'll go to that one. Test 2. So yeah, now we have Lucas Hernandez assigned action, add signpost to say test 2, so now he's moving up there. So now if I queue another 2 things, it will make the Lord work, and we'll have 1 queued action. So yeah, we have 1 queued action, 2 assigned actions. No is my lord here, so that's a little bit of that. So signpost and moving are the only real things the player can do right now. Next is building, and that will actually generate some gameplay. On to part 2, the more quote technical part per se. Right now we're not using that fancy tiled program to build our maps. We're just doing it in simple strings. So G just means grass, the lines are roads, D is dirt, so right now when the game starts it picks a random dirt spot to assign where the housing block and the shop and the farm, or not the farm picks a random grass place next to a road. So dirt is kind of just for starting stuff. W is that river, that water, we have that forest over here. And then R is that rock at the end of the thing. It's pretty basic. This is a mule game, so there's some mule terminology I could talk about. So this big map is part of the board generator hook. When a game lobby is made, the board is generated for that game. The game's not started yet. There's another hook called game start. That ASCII map is fed into the board generator part of the code. So big map refers to that, and this is a little map of maps actually, but more from the game lobby side. How does the map get created? We have the small map, 3x3 square, and big map. For this project, I kind of have a mini mule environment within the project that's only related to Lords of Sprawlville. So we can look at the game's config real quick. So this is saying we're loading the rule bundle, the back-end code for Lords of Sprawlville. and there's a bunch of auto create games. So recently I added this auto 1-player fast big map Lords game. 1 player, auto progresses, so don't wait on any players. Time limit 25 seconds, and then yeah, right there, that's the map. So that will get past that board generator code. That board generator code will then pull that ASCII map. The end. Thanks for watching.